Backing out of tight spaces can be tricky, but not with reverse assist. This smart feature traces your last 50 meters in reverse, making tight maneuvers effortless. Let's see how it works. First, bring the car to a full stop. Then activate reverse assist using the dashboard button, quick access display, widget, or app launcher. This feature only works if you've driven forward under 30 kilometers per hour or not steered too sharply. Once engaged, simply let go. The system takes over, precisely retracing your path in reverse. Need to pause? Just press the brake. Release within 30 seconds to resume automatically. For full control, about any time using manual command. And just like that, reverse assist makes reversal smooth and stress-free. No more second-guessing tight spots. Drive smarter, reverse effortlessly.
TATA.ev